Okay, we're going to go over the segment addition postulate worksheet, and we're just going to do numbers 1 through 14. Get my pen to work. There we go. Okay, so what the segment addition postulate says is you take each segment and you add them together and you get the whole segment. So for number 1, the first segment is HG. And if I add HG to GF, that's going to equal the whole segment, which is HF. Alright, and then number 2 would be RS plus ST equals RT. And so the first thing I want you to do is go through 1 through 14 and just write the postulates. And then we'll come back and work through each problem. Okay, check your postulates on 1 through 8 and make sure you got them right. Now we'll go back to number 1 and we'll fill in the information that we have. So number 1, we don't know what HG is. There's a question mark there, but we know what GF is. So for HG, we'll just put an X if we don't know what it is. So HG is X. And then bring down your plus sign. GF, we know is 1. Bring down your equal sign. HF, we know is 10. So now I'm solving a one-step equation. I want to get the X variable by itself. And so we're going to take what's with it, this positive 1, and take it to the other side of the equal sign. When you take something to the opposite side of the equal sign, the sign changes. So this will be X equals 10, and then the positive 1 becomes a negative 1. So now I want to combine 10 and negative 1, and that's 9. So that is my answer to this problem. X equals 9, or HG equals 9. Number 2, RS we're given as 1, plus, I don't know ST, so we'll call it X. RT we know is 13. And so we're going to throw the 1 over. So I get X equals 13 and a negative 1, so X equals 12. That's my missing side. That would be ST. Alright, let's skip down to number 5. Number 5, you have 3 segments added together, and we're given IJ is 9, JK is 11, KL we don't know, and IL, the whole segment, is 26. So we can combine 9 and 11. We get 20 plus X equals 26, and we'll throw the 20 to get X by itself. X is going to be 26 and a negative 20, which gives me 6. Okay. All right, if you look at 6 is a little bit different. It's asking for HJ. So from here to here is what it wants to know. So if I can figure out HI, then I can know what HJ is, because HJ is HI plus IJ, and we're already given IJ is 12. So we can figure out HI by using this. GI is 7 and GH is 2. So what's left would be 5. And so HI is going to equal 5 plus 12, which is 17. I'm sorry, that's HJ. HJ is 5 plus 12, which is 17. Okay. All right. This one wants EC, which is from here to here. We know this is 16. If we can figure out from E to D, then we'll have it. And so what we could do is, since the whole segment is 49, and we know from here to here is 30, from D to B is 30, if we subtract 49 and 30, we'll get what's left, which is 19. And so EC is going to equal 19 plus 16. And that's going to give me 35. Okay. All right. 9 and 10, you're using this information that they give you. Points A, B, and C are collinear. B is between A and C. So let's draw that. Collinear just means it's on the same line. So points A, B, and C are on the same line, and B is between A and C. So this is what it would look like. Points A, B, C. B is between A and C, so it tells us AB is 16. BC is 12. Find AC. Well, remember our postulate is AB plus BC equals AC. AB is 16, BC is 12. What would AC equal? 28. All right, number 11. It's the same directions as 9 and 10. And so our postulate's going to be AB plus BC equals AC. And let's fill in what we got. They tell us that AB is negative 1 plus 2x. Bring down your plus sign. BC is 11 equals, and then AC, they tell us, is 3x plus 3. And so we just have to solve for x here. If you have x terms on both sides of the equal sign, if you'll take your lowest value x term and throw it to the other side, then you'll end up with a positive. So I'll show you. We throw that over there. Let's throw this positive 3 over here and then rewrite what we have. So that 3x is still there. The 2x that we moved becomes a negative 2x. Okay, on the left side, with that negative 1 still there, the positive 11 is still there. But if we take that positive 3 and move it to the other side, it becomes a negative 3. And so now if I combine all my terms, 3x and negative 2x is 1x, x, and then negative 1 plus 11, that's 10, and then minus 3 gives me 7. Okay. Now let's write the postulate for 13. It would be NM plus ML plus LK equals NK. NM equals x minus 6. Bring down your plus sign. ML is 9. Plus LK is 2x minus 19. Bring down your equal sign. NK is 23. Okay, so let's solve this. We have like terms, 2x and x will give me 3x. And then put these numbers together, negative 9 and positive 9 and negative 19. Or negative 6 and positive 9 give you 3, and then a positive 3 and a negative 19 gives you negative 16. Equals 23. Let's throw this negative 16. So I'll end up with 3x equals 23 plus 16. 3x equals 23 plus 16 is 39. And divide by 3. X equals 13.